bought yours from Tesco.
Keep on eating the KFC, damn it.
It's the Keffa bird!
Yes, that's what I've been saying.
It's a Keffa bird.
Eating is so kind.
I find that funny.
Are you filming?
Yeah,
Dude, that is gross. That is mangled.
That's a mango.
That is mangled. It's chicken. It's eating KFC. It is a damn cannibal, dude.
Oh, top funniest things, man.
That is
one of the top funniest things I've ever seen.
Guys, wait. See how he got it. See how for them. And all the one time yummy stuff with it.
You guys, that is on YouTube.
I'm going to.
Guys, it's the number one secret. You can mute it and then put music like cannibal. I love cannibal. Oh, cannibal. Yeah. I'm not joking.
Oh, we should have a car run over
Still
it.
there.
Chasing the wheel. And had like chicken all over it. That is mangled. Guys, we should just get a gun and like bang, 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 bang.
Eating your own damn
Chicken. There's
kind.
the alpha bill.
Eating your own kind.
There's the alpha bill.
Oh.